Dear students, great day. Let us start our session with a new lesson, Philanthropists of Sangam. In this session, we are going to learn about Philanthropist Sangam Kadayelu Vallalgal. Let me see who is philanthropist. A philanthropist is a person who seeks to promote the welfare of others. A person who donates money and things for the welfare of others is called philanthropist. In Tamil, philanthropist means vallalgal. Sangamage. Sangamage is a period in the history of ancient Tamil Nadu. In this lesson, we are going to see the stories of philanthropists who lived in the Sangamage. Sangam literature, consisting of several classical poetry, is the main sources for the Sangam. In the Sangam, many philanthropists ruled the hilly regions, but 7 of them were very famous. The 7 philanthropists were Pagan, Pari, Nedumudikari, I, Adiyaman, Nalli, and Valvil Ori. They ruled different hilly regions at different periods during Sangam. They were all powerful, kind, and cared for nature and the people. Let me see about Pagan. Pagan ruled Palni Hills in Dindigul district. These regions are very cold. One day, while Pagan was on his walk, he saw a peacock shivering. He assumed that the peacock was shivering due to cold, and he covered the peacock with shawl. Pagan treated the peacock just like his own child. This story is an example for Pagan's kindness. Next, Pari. He was a wise and kind philanthropist. Pari ruled Parambu Nadu. This was located in Parambu Malai, a hill range that starts in Sivaganga district in Tamil Nadu and extends all the ways to Palakkad in Kerala. The Moovendars, Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas wanted to make Parambu Nadu a part of their kingdom. They were not able to win the battles against Pari and his army individually. So they attacked Parambu Nadu together. In the thickest forest inside the hills, they were not able to defeat Pari's army. Instead, they made sure that Parambu Nadu could not get water or food from below the hill. They thought that Pari would surrender. Pari did not surrender. After few months, the Moovendars later realized that the forest in Parambu Malai were so rich that they provided people with a lot of jackfruit, edible bamboo, and other wild nuts. In the hill also had a lot of streams that provided them with fresh and clean water. Let me see a famous story of Pari that tells about his generosity. One day, Pari was passing a young jasmine climber. He saw that there was no tree to help the climber to grow. He offered his golden chair to give support for the climber. In this session, we learned about the philanthropists Pagan and Pari, remaining all to be continued on part 2 session. This is the activity for you. Find the answers for these questions. Thank you.